All right, so welcome to my YouTube channel, right, buddy? That's how I'm supposed to say it. Like and subscribe and follow and all that good shit. We're finally out here near the water. Had a bit of a rough start. It's like almost 11, I think, but my trailer brakes are locked. I had to reset some wiring on that. And then my buddy was like, all right, well, I'm on the road to where we're going fishing, and he broke down. So we called AAA, and now we're loading up his gear into my truck, going fishing. AAA is gonna come tow his Jeep. And then, yeah, we're gonna catch 20-pound bass today. That's what we got in the works for us. Buddy, anything you want to say to the YouTubers? Oh,
don't do drugs, kids.
It's true, don't do drugs. I gotta think of something to call my YouTube people, like the Guggen Squad, like they have the Guggins or whatever. My name's Catching Biggins, so Biggins, Biggins. What's up, Biggins? I like that. We'll work with that. All right, so we'll see you guys out on the water, hopefully. Yeah. There we go. Little bass. Ain't no 4-pounder. That's coming. Ready? Boom, money. Fish gonna be right there. 3, 2, 1. That's a decent one. That's a little chunk. Let's use the net. Haven't got to use this today. Hey. Got a decent little chunk. Can I have my hook back, sir? Thank you, sir. Hopefully this thing's recording. All right, so what's up, Biggins? Thanks for sticking around and watching the video this far. This is my first time editing videos, so really trash at it. We caught quite a few bass. I think I only show like 2 bass in the video, maybe 3, I don't even remember. But my GoPro batteries died, so I wasn't able to film after that last part. But we ended up catching like probably 7 or 8 more after that. We caught 2 pickerel and a bunch of bass. it was okay fishing. Wasn't something I'm gonna drive 45 minutes to go do again. But tomorrow, me and my buddy are going to Cobbessy, and they got some big bass in there. So we're gonna try to catch some big bass, some biggins, boys. Biggins for the biggins. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. I'm gonna get better at this, so don't hate me for the first video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Is there anything else I wanted to say? Yeah, so I have, like you guys probably saw in the beginning of the video, that trailer. I was gonna do a like little walkthrough of my enclosed trailer. We picked that up in the beginning of the month, and kind of it's just for fishing, like kayak fishing. Got mine and my wife's kayaks in there, so got some like rod holders on the side, like on the walls and stuff. Some pegboard with fishing lures. Looks pretty cool. It's a nice little setup. I'll show you guys that probably in the next video. But yeah, like I said, me and my buddy, we're going out Friday, so tomorrow we're going out. We're gonna catch some fish. We're leaving around 12, so it's not gonna be like a good morning bite, but hopefully in the evening. And I'm gonna save my batteries a little bit. We'll put on a hurt and catch some biggins for the biggins. All right, later biggins.